This video illustrates how to use Button Builder to change the feature and line buttons desk phone. Please note that Snap Builder is only used for feature buttons, not soft keys. Feature or line buttons are located on the left and right side of your desk phone display screen. To access Button Builder, log into the PrimeCall portal. Button Builder works the same for all users, and only works on desk phones. It is not for use for the PrimeCall mobile app or web phone. Button Builder is in different places in the PrimeCall portal, depending on the permissions that you have in the portal. If you have Office Manager permissions in the portal, the Button Builder is in the Inventory Center under the Phone Hardware tab, then find the desk phone entry you are looking for and click the gear button on the right side of the phone, and try to launch the Button Builder by selecting Yes to configure button configuration. If you have user permissions in the portal, Snap Builder is in the Phone Center, then find the desk phone entry you are looking for, and click the gear icon on the right side of the phone entry to launch Button Builder by selecting Yes to configure button configuration. After launching Button Builder, you will see a diagram of your desk phone on the left and a list of buttons to the right. Blue buttons are already assigned a function, while gray buttons are not. If the padlock icon is unlocked, then you can edit the button in the example shown. You may notice that all buttons are displayed on one screen. Your model may only show 10 buttons on the screen, but actually it has 10 buttons on page 1. Most models of phones have 2, 3, or even 4 pages of buttons in Snap Builder. To view the other pages, click the Next Page link. When viewing the other pages, you will have a new set of assigned numbers. You can either add a new button or change an existing button on any page. To add a button on the right, navigate to the desired page and choose a button entry that is marked unassigned. Click on the entry and it will expand and allow you to modify it to show it. Select the drop-down, and you will see a variety of features available. Choose the target of the feature such as phone number, extension, and etc. Custom label gives that button an optional custom name which appears on the phone. For our first example, we will set button number 4 to the speed dial feature. The target will be John's phone number. The custom label can say John. We will now set button number 5 to the call part feature. The target will be a call park extension number that your organization has already set up. The custom label can say anything you would like it to say. Now you can park in on part calls in and out of the parking spot. For our final example, we will assign a user to button number 6. Select User or VLF key. Enter the username or text you would like to add to this button. If desired, you can always add a custom label. Proceed to add any other feature buttons to your phone. Select any feature and hover over the information button to receive an explanation of what this feature does. Once you have selected your desired phone configuration, you must send that configuration to your phone. When this happens, your phone will reboot. If it is idle, if it is not idle, it will wait until you end the call and then update the phone. This is generally a 5-second process. To send the configuration to your phone, click the arrow button next to the Save button. Click the Save and Resync option to send the notification to the phone to update. When your phone has finished rebooting, you will see your new feature buttons added to your phone.